Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, and if you need to find the fuse for the diagnostic port on your Ford Escape because the diagnostic port does not work, does not communicate, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. Why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the diagnostic port fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Escape right here. Now this is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, but it should work for both. You have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, guys, and today we'll work in just one. That's on the passenger side. Open the door. Once you do that, if you come right here on the passenger side, look under the dash, upside down. On the bottom side of the glove box, you have one soft carpet liner, attaches with 2 turning knobs. So remove that carpet liner, and behind it you'll find interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the diagnostic port, you may need to check up to 2 fuses on your Ford Escape. If you need to buy fuses, relays, tools, parts at a really good price and quick shipping, we will put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. The first fuse that we need to check is, as you can see next to the fuse numbers in the top right corner, you have a number, okay, next to the fuse in the top right corner that indicates which fuse you're looking at. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 72, right here. And the second fuse, 73. Check these 2 fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.